Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Irdina and today I'm going to demonstrate how I did my lab 1. So I've already written all my answers in this document. So let's try and run all these commands in VMware Workstation. So the first question asks us to check our current working directory. So we can use pwd command and we can see the current working directory there. Next, we have to list down the content of the directory. We can use ls command. Next, we have to create a new directory with our name. So I use mkdir command with my own name, which is Dina. Next, we have to change working directory to the one that we just created just now. So we use cd Dina. So we can see here, the current working directory is now Dina. Next, we have to display the current directory. Again, we use pwd command. Next, we have to create 3 directories. So we use mkdir using my 3 best friends' name, which is Aina, Irfanas, and Safwan. Okay, now we have to list down all the created directories. We use ls command. So we can see all the 3 directories that we just created. Next, we have to create a directory water under one of the new directories. So we use mkdir to create a new directory and I want to put it inside Aina's directory. So we also have to specify the directory's name. So it is water and press enter. Next, we also have to create another new directory named banana in a different directory. So I'm going to use Irfanas's directory and we put banana. Next, we have to change working directory to banana. So because banana is located in Irfanas directory, we have to put cd slash and then we have to specify the directory. So now we can see our current working directory is banana. So next we have to create new directory papaya and the same directory with banana. So banana is under Irfanas directory. So we have to use mkdir /dina/Irfanas. So stop there because papaya should be under banana. So we put the new directory name, which is papaya. So next we have to list all the directories created in parent of current working directory. So we go back to Irfanas directory and then we use ls command. So we can see the 2 directory in the Irfanas directory, which is banana and papaya. So from current working directory, we have to create new directory durian under same directory with water. So just now water is under Aina directory. So we can create a new one using mkdir and specify the location, which is under Aina's directory. And also specify the directory's name, which is durian. Okay, next, we have to rename water into another new name as watermelon. So because we are in a different directory right now, we have to specify the path. Dina/Aina/water and we have to change it to watermelon. So done, and then we have to remove the directories that has no subdirectory created just now. So both Irfanas and Aina have subdirectories. Only Safwan directory does not have only Safwan does not have subdirectories. So we have to remove that one using rmdir/dina Safwan. So we remove Safwan's directory because Safwan directory has no subdirectory. So we go back to home directory using cd command and then we have to complete the file structure using 3 commands. So we just write 3. So now we can see all the directory that we have created just now. So there are 15 directories in total and we have 0 files for now. So next we continue to activity 2. first it says go directly to your banana directory. So we use cd and then we specify the location of the directory. So banana is located under Irfana's directory. Okay, now we can see the working directory is now banana. So now we have to create a file using name fork1.c. So we use nano fork1.c. So this is the file fork1.c. Currently it is empty. Now we have to put something in it, which is the source code. So I've already wrote the source code in here. So let's just copy and paste it. Copy this one and paste it in the file fork1.c. So don't forget the hashtag. Oops. Wait. Okay, so I have already written the source code in here. So let's just copy and paste it in the file fork1.c, and then we have to save it by using the write out control button. So I'm going to press Control capital O. So here it says file name to write is fork1.c. So we press enter and we have already wrote 19 lines in this file. So we're going to exit from this file and we have to make a copy of the file in the same directory with name fork2c. So to copy the file, we use the cp command. Okay, so we want to copy fork1c into a new file named fork2c. So press enter. Okay, next it says make another copy of fork2c and put it into the durian directory with the name fork3c. So we have to copy fork2c and move it into a durian directory, which is located under INA's directory, and then we have to specify the name of the file, which is fork3c. Okay, next we have to move the fork2c into the papaya directory. So we use mv command to move a file. We move fork2c to papaya directory, which is located under Irfana's directory. Okay, next we have to view the content of file fork1c without using the editor. So to do this, we can use a cat command. So we specify the directory. Fork1c is located under banana. So we specify the file name. So we can see the content of file fork1c in here without using the editor. So next we continue to activity 3. It says change your working directory to durian. So from banana to go to durian, we have to use cd, and durian is located under INA's directory, so we use that. Okay, now the working directory is durian. So now we have to compile the fork3c file. So we use gcc fork3.c. Okay, now the system has compiled the file, and now we have to execute the output file. So to execute it, we just have to specify the output file name. So in this case, we didn't specify the output file name. So the system will generate a file with a default output file name, which is a.out. So if we run this, we can see the output for fork3c file. Okay, so now we have to recompile the fork3c, but this time we have to specify the output file name. So to specify the output file name, you just have to run and use -o command and specify the output file name. So now let's execute the specified output file just now by specifying the location of the file. Fork3 result. Okay, we can see the output of fork3 .c just now that is written in fork3 result file. So now it says compile fork1.c file in banana directory. So now we are in Durian directory. To do that, we have to use gcc, and because we want to specify the output file name, we also use -o command. So specify the output file name first, which is fork1 result, and then we specify the file that we want to compile. Okay, so there it is, and then we just press enter. So it has already compiled. Now let's see the output by specifying the output file name, which is fork1 result. Alright, so this is the output for fork1.c file, which is written in fork1 result. Next, remove the a.out file in related directory. So there is no a.out file in banana directory because we straight away specified the file name for the output file. So there is only a.out in Durian directory. See, when we list down the directory, there is a.out file in Durian directory. So we're gonna remove that by using rm command. Okay, so now when we list down, there is no more a.out file. So we're going to exit all this directory, and we're going to redraw the file directories and files generated. So we just have to use the tree command, and when we press this, we can see all the files and directories that we have created. So there are 15 directories and 5 files in total. So that is all from me. Thank you.